is 3:27 p.m. Monday afternoon, April 3rd, 2023. Norfolk Southern Railroad, Pittsburgh line, Altoona, Pennsylvania. That was eastbound Norfolk Southern train 12G. Perhaps my description will identify origin and destination. Anyway, 12G coming down the east slope of the Alleghenies into Rose Yard at Altoona. Summit of the Alleghenies was at Gallitzin, Pennsylvania, just a few miles west of here. 12G rounded the world-famous Horseshoe Curve. The blue building is the site of the former world-famous Brickyard, site of many famous photographs taken here, especially in the days of Pennsylvania Railroad steam. Now it's UTZ Warehouses, a snacks provider. And the only Norfolk Southern intermodal trains run through without a crew change at Altoona between Conway Yard west of Pittsburgh and Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. All other trains like this 12G Manifest change crews at Altoona. Crews run between Altoona and Enola Yard across the Susquehanna River from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and between Altoona and Conway Yard, not too far west of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Again, Norfolk Southern Railroad, Brickyard Crossing, Altoona, Pennsylvania, Monday afternoon, April 3rd, 2023, over and out.